Well, so on Discovery Plus, the particular the app, you'll find this. There's a show called Perfect Home Asia. So it's like they take us all through these. It's all about this couple or these whole set of different people who are moving into new homes. So I mean, these shows are just 20-22 minutes long, and it will give you an insight into how life is in Vietnam, in Hong Kong, in Mumbai, and across Asia. Basically. So I find it fascinating. So really, people uh, just check it out. It's called Perfect Home Asia, and you can find it on. Uh, if you go to the Discovery app. And you go within Discovery Plus, the app, you have this TLC, Investigative Discovery ID, and Animal Planet, and all these things. But this is under TLC, I think. So, Perfect Home Asia. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.